So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Betway app on any mobile device. In this case, I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So first up, you want to go to, on iPhone, it's the App Store, but on Google or on Android, it'll be the Google Play Store. From there, go to the search page on the bottom right, and then start typing in Betway, press search, and it's going to come up some different apps in here for you to download. I always skip past the ads and go to the first organic link, this Betway live sports betting app listing. As I've downloaded the app before, it now gives me the sort of cloud icon with the downwards pointing arrow. Click that, that's the download button. If you've never downloaded it before, it'll say the word GET, as you can see in the listing below that. From there, now that the Betway app has downloaded on this device, it gives us the option to open the app. Click in there, and it's going to start installing and running the Betway app. Would you like to have notifications sent to you? Don't allow. Allow to track the activity across other companies' apps and websites. Allow, because this just gives you tailored advertisements in the future to what you're interested in. Your cookie policy, accept. And there we have it, guys. This is the Betway app. From there, I would probably go to the login button in the top section. And if you do have an account, type in your username and password. If you do not have an account, you can go to the register now section and start you can actually get some different offers before you sign up and give over your details. From there, this is the Betway app. It is successfully downloaded on this device. If this video has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thank you.